Welcome to Tech Leveler. My name's Lee, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off keyboard click sound. So first things first, what you want to do is head over to the iPhone settings. Now from the iPhone settings you want to come down and select sound and haptics. Then on the sound and haptics page, right to the bottom, and we want this keyboard feedback here. Now you have two options here, sound and haptics. So if you only want to get rid of the sound, you can tap this off. Now when we go over to a note or anywhere where you can type on your iPhone, when you press, you will not hear any sounds. However, if we put the sounds back on, and when you type now, you will hear a clicking sound. You may still feel some feedback from the iPhone, and this is the haptics. So if you want no sound or no feeling, you want to turn both of these off. So that's how to turn off or on the keyboard click sounds. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like button, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.